Okay. We can express the simple future tense by using be going to forms. Like we are going to win the match. We are going to win the match. This going to also expresses the simple future tense. Like he is to see the headmaster tomorrow. Is to is the form of be to. He is to see the headmaster tomorrow. We also express using present continuous. He is seeing the headmaster tomorrow. He is seeing the headmaster tomorrow. Here the action is pre-planned. Here the action is pre-planned and it can also be expressed in present continuous. And in simple present tense, we express by saying he sees the headmaster. He sees the headmaster tomorrow.
Kulsum, you got a break. Why are you eating now? I don't want to see you munching.
Okay, take a pencil and write it in your notebook. These examples. We are going to win the match. Again, going to is referring to the certainty. At the time of speaking, we are going to win the match. We are going to win the match. Next example, he is to see the headmaster tomorrow. He is to see the headmaster tomorrow. Now when we use present continuous here by using be an ing form of verb, in he is seeing the headmaster tomorrow means the appointment is fixed to meet the headmaster. Simple present tense, he sees the headmaster tomorrow. I'm repeating these last two examples. He is seeing the headmaster tomorrow. And in simple present tense, he sees the headmaster tomorrow. Okay. Now here we use going to and not will to show intention. We use going to and not will to show the intention. Like in the next example, listen now, we will write it afterwards. Amit and Anita are planning something very exciting. They are going to sail round the world. Here their intention is expressed. Amit and Anita are planning something very exciting. They are going to sail round the world. Now, Radha is sick. She will not join them. She will not join them. Yeah, intentions are expressed. I'm repeating, listen to me carefully. Amit and Anita are planning something very exciting. They are going to sail round the world. They are going to sail round the world. Radha is sick. She will not join them. You can underline going to when you write, and you can underline will not. Okay. When some decision is expressed, decision to do something before talking, I'm going to resign the job. I'm going to buy a car. Means you have already decided in these two sentences. So when write it in your notebook, take a pencil and write. We use going to show an intention, to express or show an intention. Example, Anmit and Anita are planning something very exciting. Amit and Anita are planning something very exciting. They are going to sail round the world. They are going to sail round the world. I'm repeating the example. Just check if you have missed something. Amit and Anita are planning something very exciting. They are going to sail round the world. Radha is sick. She will not join them. And underline going to and not will not. Amit and Anita are planning something very exciting. They are going to sail round the world. Underline going to. Radha is sick. She will not join them. Underline will not. We use going to and to show a decision before the statement is made. I'm going to resign the job. I'm going to resign the job. Second example, I'm going to buy a car. I'm going to buy a car. I hope you have written. Now come to page number 67. Here some examples are given to frame sentences in simple future tense, affirmative sentences, negative sentences, and interrogative sentences in this tense, that is simple future tense. I will eat, I will not eat, will I eat? You will eat, you will not eat, will you eat? He will eat, he will not eat, will he eat? She will eat, she will not eat, will she eat? It will eat, it will not eat, will it eat? We will eat, we will not eat, we will eat. They will eat, they will not eat, will they eat? See, verb is in the bare form. Okay. Now this is the repetition which I have already explained. I'm going to read it out to you again. We use will or shall to talk about things in future which are outside our control or not in our reach. I've added this to sentence, not in our reach. We use going to talk about intention or to predict an event that shows clear signs of taking place in the present. For example, space travel will be part of our lives in another century. Oliver was clearly in a bad state. He is going to fall ill if you confront him like that. So let's move on to future continuous tense now. We use future continuous tense to talk about actions that will be in progress at certain time in future. We use future continuous tense to talk about actions that will be in progress at certain time in future. Okay. Write example under this point. This time next week. Write it. This time next week we will be driving through Nepal. We will be driving through Nepal. Now the example from your book. This time next we will be relaxing in Haridwar. Second example, by Diwali I will be speaking French fluently. The example I gave was this time next week we driving through Nepal. Okay.
Mead, please mute yourself.
Okay. When we talk about action that has been planned, They will be holidaying in France next month. They will be holidaying in France next month. I will be meeting him on Monday. I will be meeting him on Monday. Now you write example here. I will be reaching Paris on the 5th of September, 15th or 5th, whatever you want to write, 15th of September. I will be reaching Paris on the 15th of September. Talking about an action that will be in progress at certain time in future as a part of routine or arrangement. I will be seeing Mohan tomorrow. You have to write this example. I will be seeing Mohan tomorrow. I will be seeing Mohan tomorrow. We will be posting our letters on Sunday. This is the second example I have read. We will be posting our letters on Sunday. When you return, we will be sleeping. This is simple. I will be seeing Mohan tomorrow. Have you written this? We will be posting our letters on Sunday. When you return, we will be sleeping. Now the fourth point, to politely ask somebody about the future plans to see if we may do something for them or if they can do something for us. Are you going towards South Delhi? Can you drop me off at the airport? Means you are asking about the future action of the other person, whether the person is moving towards South Delhi or not, and if he can drop you at the airport. Will you be driving to Shankar Market this evening? Could you pick up my dress from tailor?